Did I push the start?
Wait, am I saying?
I'm so nervous. It's about to die. Oh God, I'm not gonna. Everything is just teetering on failure.
Hi, my name is Ricki Castanedo, and welcome to the InstaShow for the JT and Margaret Talkington College of Visual and Performing Arts. Last week, some wind, brass, and percussion small chamber ensembles performed pop-up mini-concerts in different spots across the Texas Tech campus. Passerby were treated to live music for maybe the first time since the COVID pandemic. So take that, Snoop and Nelly. The School of Art will be hosting a virtual open house Saturday, October 10th. The event showcases jewelry design, photography, transmedia, sculpture, entrepreneurship, and more. Anyone interested in joining the event can contact the School of Art at art.info@ttu.edu or talk@ttu.edu. The School of Theater and Dance season kicks off October 8th through the 11th with the online device experience 2020 Visions, the Violet Response Project. The season is presented virtually and comprised of 9 shows that navigate the muddy waters of the political world and its impact on personal journeys. This season features Henrik Ibsen's psychological thriller, An Enemy of the People, in a new adaptation by Brad Birch, Sonnets for an Old Century, a deeply poetic play with music and dance by Jose Rivera. Blown Youth, a Shakespeare-inspired comedy by Deepika Guha, the Spring Dance Concert Dance Tech, and A Chorus Line, the intimate musical classic with music by Marmin Heimlich, lyrics by Edward Klebon, a book by James Kirkwood and Nicholas Dante. Performances in the 2020-2021 season will be presented virtually on Zoom webinar and viewable on a PC, Mac, iPad, iPhone, or Android device. Tickets are $5, free for Texas Tech students, and available for purchase online through the School of Theater and Dance website. Follow us on all of our social media profiles, including TikTok, which has yet to be banned. In the meantime, we want to ban littering, loitering, e-cigarettes, the misuse of tortillas, and Matthew McConaughey.
That's right, Ricki. The JT and Margaret Talkington College of Visual and Performing Arts. Oh yeah! And while we're banning things, let's ban sky kicks.
That guy, McConaughey.